guys, and welcome to another episode. In this episode I have a new installation of my 2021 Toyota RAV4, and the reason why is because it's my own fault. Look at this. This is the H11. This is the original bulb for the fog lights. What happens is, like last month I was doing the Auxiro fog lights, the yellow LEDs that we put on that episode. And I put the stock bulbs just to do the comparison between the halogen and the LED from Auxiro. And this one, I think we didn't attach it right, came off, stay on the side of the housing, and it burned the housing. You still are able to put the bulbs in there, but it's not secure, and we need to do something about it. So yeah, that was all me, and it cost me the housing. Good thing we catch it. It was here at the garage, so I started smelling something funny, like it was burning something, and it was this. That was the issue right here. So we have an installation in this episode. It's simple. It's not difficult to do, replacing the housing, but we want to replace it with something else. I was thinking about doing something different on the fog lights, but the problem with these ones, they already have an LEDs in it. So they have LEDs on the inside. You cannot put any bulbs no more, but this is gonna be temporarily. Actually, I was looking for the OEM replacement, and right here I had the packages. Looks like it's OEM replacements, and it's coming from China. So I get them on eBay. They came from China. They're gonna really think that I'm gonna believe that this is an OEM part from Toyota. It says Toyota and everything in here, but it's coming from China. I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure that this is an OEM replacement coming from China just for that sticker, and because it says Toyota right here. I don't believe it. Maybe I'm wrong, but I doubt it. And probably gonna have something that is really bright and good for what it is. I didn't pay a lot of money for it. I think it was like $40. That's why I think they're not OEM. But when I have LEDs for now, I could replace it just with the stock housing and keep doing LED reviews on the fog lights and all that. But I decided to go this route just to check these LEDs. So with this setup, we're not gonna be able to put more LEDs on the fog lights, but this is temporarily. I'm not gonna leave them in there. This is just for now. Let me show you what I have right now. Right now I have the Bosla 3-color 4-way LEDs. Let me show you how they look on the RAV4, because we never did in this one. We did them on the Honda Accord. Well, that's the Bosla LEDs. Those are really expensive. Those are really good, but we need to remove them to do this. So this installation is going to be very simple. We want to bring the RAV4 in the garage. We're going to close the door. We want to mark where the fog lights hit on the garage door. And when we put the new ones, we want to aim in the same way, so they're not too high, not too low, and they're going to stay at the same level as the original ones. We put the tape where the light hits, and I think that one on the passenger, it hits higher because that bulb is not staying in the same level, probably because it has damage on it. I'm not sure about that, but we put the tape right there. We want to put the new ones, aiming the same way, and let's see how they look. If you can see, guys, that's the damage. We're still able to put lights on it, but I don't think it's straight, and it doesn't secure the light that well. So it's easy to replace. You just remove the bulb. You remove one screw on one side, one screw on the other, and remove the housing. I'm going to do the same for that one. Just put it on, 2 screws connected, and that's it. Okay guys, I'm going to give you a little tip. You see right there where my finger is, that's the first screw. Remove that one first, and the whole housing lift it up so you can get to the bolt on the other side. Same way on installation, put the whole housing up, screw that one on that side first, bring it down, and then put the other one on this side. So that's going to be the easiest way. We have the new one, it's already connected. Now let's see how they look. Light is on, and if you can see, you barely see it because it's all the way to the top. We need to adjust it and bring it down. Guys, if you can see in camera, that's the whole light. It has a bunch of little LEDs across, and it doesn't look powerful, to be honest. This thing is just not bright. You can adjust it with your finger because it's no way that you can put a screwdriver or wrench in there because it has the reservoir next to it, but you can move it with your finger up and down, and that's the whole light right there. So probably it's not bright at all. I don't think it's bright at all. So we're gonna take it and drive a little bit with them. We're gonna switch that one on the other side to see the light output, but that's the light output. Tell me guys, what that is gonna do on the road. I need my money back, to be honest. Not bright at all. But let's take it for a spin. Let's see on the road. I was thinking on disconnect the headlights just to see the fog lights, but it doesn't even make. Look at that, guys. I'm gonna return them. They're really bad. That's what happens when you buy cheap stuff. Just no way. You barely see them. Look at that. You barely see them on the bottom. That's the fog light right there. Not bright. I mean, you can see the light in there, but it's not bright at all. So I don't think it's worth it. Let me know what you guys think. I guess the intention was good, but the actual product is not. Okay guys, I'm gonna leave it with that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.